Hi, this is Peter with BetterHair.org, and I wanted to make a quick video to talk about black seed oil for stimulating hair growth and making your hair grow faster. So if you come to our website, BetterHair.org, and you scroll down, you're going to see this link right here. Want to grow your hair faster? Check out our featured page, Ingredients that Stimulate Hair Growth. So click this link, and it's going to take you to this page right here. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see black seed oil for hair growth. And you can read a little bit about what black seed oil is. But if you want to read even more about it, just click this link and you'll see even more information about black seed oil. So this is a page devoted to black seed oil. So there's all kinds of great information about black seed oil and how it can help you with your hair. It can even help benefit gray hair. So it's pretty amazing oil. And of course, black seed oil is one of the ingredients in our new products, Formula 43 and Formula 43X, which if you click this link right here, it'll take you to this page where you can learn all about our brand new product, Formula 43, and the extra strength version, Formula 43X. And of course, black seed oil is one of the ingredients in Formula 43. So check it out. Check out our page, our website. There's lots of great information, all kinds of products that we have coming soon that are going to be exciting. And so check it out. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.